In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Airbnb customer service 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the best way to reach a support specialist for your situation. First, go to the Airbnb support page on the official Airbnb website. You can navigate there from the home page by opening the Help Center and selecting Contact Us, or use the direct support page if you have it bookmarked. Make sure you're on the real Airbnb site before entering any information. This page is where all contact options live, and it's designed to guide you based on the issue you pick. Next, log into your account. Being signed in is important because it instantly pulls up your reservations, your listings if you host, and your verified contact details. That lets support match you to the right case faster. If you have trouble signing in, use the on-page login help to recover access securely. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to have your reservation code and any relevant dates handy so you don't need to hunt for them mid-conversation. Once you're logged in, select the specific trip, listing, or problem you're dealing with. This step routes your request to the correct team and attaches your message to the right reservation or listing. Choose the most accurate category, then add a short, clear description of what's going on. Include key details like timelines, what you've already tried, and any outcomes you're expecting. The clearer you are here, the fewer back and forth messages you'll need later. Now choose how you want to get help. Live chat is great when you need a quick answer or want to multitask while you wait. Keep the chat window open so you don't miss replies, and remember that your transcript is typically saved in your account for reference. Phone support is best for urgent issues or anything time sensitive, like check-in problems. Have your reservation code and a brief summary ready. Wait times can vary, so stay on the line or request a callback if that's offered. Messaging support works well for complex matters that need attachments or detailed explanations. It's asynchronous, which means you can respond when you're ready, and everything stays documented in your Airbnb inbox. To wrap up, start on the Airbnb support page, sign in, pick the exact trip or issue, and then choose live chat, phone, or messaging based on your urgency and preference. Be concise, include the essentials, and keep all communication within Airbnb for your security and records.